Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy here, Head Savage, and I got some new stuff for you guys to see me try. It's called the After Death. It's a hot sauce made by Blair's. When I first received this, I asked myself, wow. First of all, my wife and kids bought me this, but I asked myself, why would they buy me something called After Death? They know I like hot stuff. Then it dawned on me, okay, maybe that's some good stuff, right? Then I said, okay, well, after death, I look at the pepper scale. Well, their scale, they got after death, sudden death, mega death, and ultra death. So I said, okay, maybe this could be something good. Maybe I will try after death and I'll go up the ladder and let you guys know how it tastes. Another person I want to give a shout out to, I would like to see them try this. His name is Bob Eats. And another lady, her name is Titless Busy Kitchen. She's another great one out there. She makes hot sauce like I make it. You can check out my videos on my other channel. I got a couple of channels. One is Mark Lewis from A to Z, where I do everything. And then I got my kitchen. I got the Headsavage kitchen where I do all kind of stuff too. So without further ado, let's get into trying this hot sauce. Okay. Now I can try this with a spoon, but I said no, that's kind of like cheating, right? Because you swallow it, then it's over with. You need to chew it on something, let it fester in the mouth first. So I said, let's get some chips or something, right? So I'm gonna put this on some chips, get a nice good amount so you guys can see that right there. We're gonna see how that tastes, and I will let you know how good it is and how hot it is. And my thing is it hot or not? Should we pump it or dump it? So let's give this a try. And most definitely got the kick I like. It's hot and we're going to pump it. And I'm like homeboy, what's his name? I think it's 2 Chains. When he say, tell the waitress I ain't chipping, I like hot sauce on my chicken. Well, check this out. My wife, I like to put some of this on her bitch, right? I like to be sitting up there in the room when she come in, and I'm like, hey, baby, let's try something new. Hey, baby, come here, girl. I got something new I want to try with you. Ah, yeah, y'all think she might let go with that? I might give that a try. We gonna see. But other than that, folks, this right here is a pump. It's hot. Try it. Shouts out to Blair. And I like to give a shout out to Bob Eats. I want to see him try that. Tell me what he thinks. And Titley's Busy Kitchen to see what she thinks. Other than that, folks, this here is a pump. Get yourself some. Go out and get it. And remember, get some.